Hi guys, so I'm just in my closet real quick because I didn't want to set up everything and then film. So yeah, I just got back from Target and I got a few essentials and things that I've been wanting. In my last video I was saying how like my favorite mousse and I couldn't find it at Target. I found a 2-pack and I was so happy. I was just like, yes. This was like $5.49. So I suggest you guys go see if they have like double packs. Yeah, so I found that. And then I just got this Hello Kitty makeup case because you're falling. Because I've been needing a makeup case, and this was like the cheapest thing. I didn't need anything too fancy, so I just got this, and it's got like this little lip gloss thing, but I'm not using that. And then it's just pink inside and has a mirror. Then I just got some more of my lash and brow gel stuff. I got the Milani brow shaping kit, which I've been wanting and needing. And then I just got a new blush brush because my stippling brush that I used for blush broke. So yeah. And then I just got this e.l.f. facial whip. It's like a highlighter. And then just the Mega Plush mascara, which I got like the last black one. So I'm excited to try out all these. So yeah, I guess I will talk to you guys later. Like I said, it was just a really quick haul from Target. So yeah, I'm gonna go now and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Whoa.